Mom's been bugging me all day for these fries, so I've given in and we're going to make it. All right, let me show you what we're going to make. We're going to make some sweet potato fries. We're going to make the easy version. There are some other versions that are more complicated. We're just going to double fry ours. If you want them crispier, you can add the flour method or the cornstarch method, but we're just going to make it super simple. What we've done, we've peeled our sweet potatoes and we've cut these into about 1/4 inch thick slices. We've preheated our oil to 300 degrees. And this is about 3 sweet potatoes. These were probably about medium-sized sweet potatoes. And we're going to put these into our deep fryer and we're going to cook these roughly 6 or 7 minutes. We just want to make sure that they begin to get just a little bit on the softened side. The sauce is going to be super simple. We're going to start off with 8 ounces of cream cheese. Our cream cheese is close to room temperature. Room temperature would be best. To that, we're going to add roughly 1/2 cup of pineapple. Our pineapple we have drained, so we're just going to estimate about 1/2 cup, maybe a little bit more, and then we're going to add some marshmallow cream or marshmallow fluff. This is a 7.5 ounce jar, and then we're just going to mix this all together. All right, now that we've got that mixed up, we want this to have some really good pineapple flavor. So we're just going to go ahead and add the rest of this pineapple to our mixture. All right, we're going to test these. I'm just going to take a knife. And what we want to do, we want to make sure that, see how easy that goes in? It's it just squishes right in. All right, we're going to set this up. We're going to now increase our heat to 350 degrees. Once your temp hits 350, we're going to put them back down into our deep fryer, and we're going to cook these for roughly 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes until they become nice and crispy. All right, they become nice and brown. They are finished cooking. We're going to let them drain just for a second, but not for very long. In a container here, we have 2 tablespoons of sugar with 1 teaspoon.
Tablespoon.
Yeah.
A tablespoon of brown sugar.
Yeah. 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. How about cinnamon? Oh, this is why we don't let me cook very often. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to place those fries in there while it's still nice and hot. And we're going to sprinkle that with our cinnamon sugar mixture. Making sure it's all nicely evenly coated. And when we're back here, we've got a platter. Take our platter with our cinnamon sugar coated fries. They smell delicious and we know it's going to taste delicious. And in the middle of that, we're just going to put some of our pineapple dipping sauce. And there we have it. Cinnamon sugar French fries with a pineapple cream cheese marshmallow cream dipping sauce. We hope that you enjoy the recipe. Give it a try.